If you're going for maximum speed, you can of course get into the aero bars into a full tuck position. But depending on where your brakes are located, you may or may not have immediate access to the brakes. When your hands are wider, they're on the brakes, of course you're going to be safer because you can react more quickly. And your hands being wider, you have a wider base of support and stability, especially descending around a corner. However, you compromise speed. So you have a choice. You either get in the aero position and go for it, or you stay a little wider and compromise some speed for safety. So it is dependent on the environment, your skill level, and if drafting, for example, is allowed in the race, which is going to increase potential dangers.